So, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. My name is George Garcia from Bachelor of Public Administration. So, my topics is disciplinary action. So, discipline may be used to an employee at the discretion of his her supervisor, dean or director following an investigation of the matters. Such investigation would include decision which the employee disciplinary action informed the employees of what is operationally expected and what the consequences are if improvement to a sustained satisfactory level does not occur. So, dito naman tayo sa types of discipline. A routine warming. Routine warming may be used without counseling for minor misconduct if the employees know the standard of performance or conduct policy or law violated. A probationary employees with more than 6 months of consecutive service with the university may be dismissed under progressive discipline after prior insurance of two routine warming for similar offense or cross-reference probationary period policy. In absence of 6 months of consecutive service within the university, an employment may be dismissed under progressive discipline after prior insurance of one routine warming for a similar offense. Gross misconduct may result a one-time warming later. So, dito naman tayo sa demotion. Demotion occur when an employee is voluntary or involuntary moved to a vacant position in a lower pay grade than his/her former position for disciplinary reason. Demotion may occur when an employee is unsatisfactorily perform on the job, however can satisfactorily accomplish the responsibility of a vacant position within the control and at the discretionary approval of the supervisor or higher administrative authority. The employee's salary will be reduced consistent with the compensation policy. So dito naman tayo sa suspension. Suspension depending upon the severity of the offense and the employee's previous record. The supervisor may suspend a non-exempt employee without pay for a period of 1 to 15 working days when in the judgment of supervisor, improved performance is attainable without resorting to discharge. Exempt employees may be suspended without pay for a period of 1 to 15 working days for a major safety violation. In all other circumstances, exempt employees suspension may be in a week long increment to a maximum of 3 weeks. Suspension shall only occur after consultation with the Division of Human Resources, Employees Relations Staff at 293 to 5,700 Extension 5. The Division of Human Resources shall consult with the Office of General Counsel regarding the situation prior to any disciplinary action. Before disciplinary action may occur, the supervisor must give the employees written notice of the intent to suspend the charge against him here why a behavior is unsatisfactory, an explanation of the employee's evidence, and an opportunity to present his her explanation of the behavior of question within the reasonable time frame. So, dito naman tayo sa dismissal o a dismissal. An employee with less than 6 months of consecutive service with the university may be dismissed under progressive discipline after prior insurance of one written warning for a similar offense. A non-probationary employees with more than 6 months of consecutive service with the university may be dismissed under progressive discipline after prior insurance of 2 written warning for similar offense or cross-reference probationary period policy. Gross misconduct may result in immediate dismissal. So next is appeals. Appeals an employee who believe she has been disciplined unjustly may pursue a grievance. Next is for assistance and information. Assistance and information, additional information or question regarding disciplinary action should be directed to the Employees Resolution Unit in the Division of Human Resources at 293 to 5,700 Extension 5. So, ito naman purpose. The purpose of disciplinary action is to correct, not to punish work-related behavior. Each employee is exempted to maintain standard of performance and conduct as outlined by the immediate supervisor and to comply with applicable policies, procedure, and law when an employee does not meet an expectation set by the supervisor or other appropriate authority. Counseling and or disciplinary action may be taken to address the employee's behavior. So, the next topic is grounds for administrative action. So, ano bang ground? Grounds an elective local official may be disciplined, suspended, or removed from office on any of the following grounds. So, rules of administrative action. Disloyalty to the Republic of the Philippines. Ano nga meaning yan? Person may be declared in a special civil action of qua warrant to be disloyal to the Republic of the Philippines, which was dominated or called the Commonwealth of the Philippines before the complete withdrawal of the sovereignty of the United States from these islands, and ineligible to hold public office under Section 172 of the Reverse Election Code is if the preponderance of evidence so show, although said person has been or will be acquitted of the crime of treason, because of the law provide as a ground of disqualification, not the conviction of the candidate of the crime of treason or any other act constituting disloyalty, but the mere fact of being disloyal. So the next is coupled
culpable violation of the Constitution. Okay. Under the bill, culpable violation of the Constitution means is any willful, voluntary, intentional, and or felonious act or any act committed in bad faith by an inimitable public official in violation of his out of office in the 1987 Constitution. So next is dishonesty, operation, misconduct in office, gross negligence, or dereliction of duty. Dishonesty, as judicially understood, implies the disposition to lie, cheat, deceive, or default on trust, truthiness, lack of integrity. Next is commission of any offense involving moral turpitude or an offense punishable by at least prison major, which is from 6 years and 1 day to 12 years imprisonment. Next is abuse of authority. Abuse of power or abuse of authority in the form of malfeasance in office or official abuse of power is the commission of an unlawful act done in an official capacity which affect the performance of official duties. Next is unauthorized absence for 15 consecutive working days in case of local chief executive and for consecutive season in the case of member of the Sanggunian. Application for or acquisition of foreign citizenship or residence of the status of an immigrant of another country and sack of other grounds and grounds as may be provided by the Local Government Code of 1991 Republic Act. So, yun lang po ma'am. Thank you po.